Let's take a look at this MTTCLE 3-hole faucet with pop-up drain that we installed during our recent DIY bathroom renovation. And we were interested in this set because of the style. It looks terrific in a matte black finish and it works great. During our remodel, we replaced our relatively compact 2-sink vanity. So before attaching it to the wall, I took advantage of the opportunity to access the rear panel and connected everything from the back. This is obviously much easier, but to be honest, this kit is very straightforward, and doing it from the front would probably be easier than most other faucet sets. There aren't any surprises, and in fact, because the supply lines are color coded, you don't really need any special tools other than a Phillips head screwdriver and a wrench. I did also end up using pipe dope on all the threaded connectors because I find that it really helps prevent leaks in every plumbing project. They make it super easy because about half the connectors were these plastic quick connectors that, to be honest, I was a little bit skeptical of initially. But we put everything together and then turned on the supply lines and had zero leaks. So I'll take all the credit for that, but maybe also share some of it with MTTCLE for making a really good product. The hoses are somewhat thin and coated with braided black nylon, and I was kind of wondering if they'd restrict water flow, but honestly, the flow coming out of these faucets is higher now than they were with those supply lines coated in braided steel thread from the orange big box store that you probably know. The handles have a high quality valve that feels solid and it turns off the faucet with no dripping. And the pop drain, which I was happy to realize just uses a gasket and doesn't require plumber's putty, works perfectly. But overall, if you like the look like we do, this is a terrific kit for DIYers who feel relatively comfortable around very basic plumbing. It's given our bathroom a massive style upgrade, and believe me, it needed it. So I hope this short video has helped you decide if this MTT CLE faucet and pop drain is right for your bathroom, and thanks for watching.